I'm Kitty Gumdrop and you're watching Kitty's channel. So, today we've decided to paint pumpkins. We're gonna carve pumpkins later on in this month, but for now, we're gonna paint those. Why'd you sniff it?
I don't know, I'm gonna be working with it.
Anyway, so we've all come up with a little bit of concepts. A little bit of concepts
for my pumpkin.
We've all conceptualized a few ideas for our pumpkin. Like, not totally, we're just kind of gonna go with the flow and do what comes to mind. So if you're interested in watching us paint pumpkins for the next few minutes, go ahead and stay tuned.
More pink than purple.
Yeah, because you're gonna want to start off with your lighter color first, otherwise you'll end up with just the darker color.
See, I'm going simple. I'm just using straight up red on my background.
I don't know that I made enough pink for... We're going for it.
It just kind of looks gray.
Like a grayish purple. Add just a drop of red if you're
No,
trying.
red's too dark, I think. Add a little white to it, and then keep adding a little more pink. If you need to.
The white.
It is the one sitting. It's the only one that's in the tube.
Don't want to confuse this with lotion, even though it clearly looks like it's lotion.
Rub it all over yourself.
All over it. Oh God, no! All right, Michael, you're going to put up your shirt.
Oh no! Don't touch the other pumpkin. Oh no! Don't touch the pumpkin. I touched it.
Touched it?
I touched it.
What the hell's wrong with you, Jillian?
Who am I?
You're Jillian. That's the first. That's the first name I'm
It's
bringing.
not even my real name.
No, it's not at all. It's just the first name I had thought of.
Exotic butters.
That's my real name.
Exotic butter.
If I ever decide to dance on the pole, it's gonna be erotic butters.
If you ever kill somebody, it's gonna be psychotic butters.
If I decide to serve this country, it's gonna be patriotic butters.
If you ever kiss a chick, it's gonna be homoerotic butters.
That's getting better.
Yeah. I've just been mixing paint this entire video. We're probably like 22 minutes in.
It goes pretty fast once your pumpkin looks like it got beat up. No, it looks like a tomato.
Yeah,
Do I
kind of.
Do I need to make it brighter?
I do this when I want to wash my brush off, right? And then it's fine to use again?
No, you just stick it in there and then you have to use a new brush.
Oh, really? But that's how we used to do it in school.
Not here. Nathan, I just remembered something. I didn't grab.
I think in mixing it was the thing taking it.
Already got a plate of purple here.
You know what? Thin or not, just make it's white. It should work. Screw it. I hate it here. Just use it. I didn't know I had it.
Is that it? Is that the color you needed?
This one, yeah. I forgot I had the black light colors, and Nate just spent like almost 15 minutes trying to mix the perfect purple, and I had it right here. So he might want to kill me before the video's over.
I think he wants to kill you now.
I know everybody's carved pumpkins, but have you guys painted pumpkins before? I haven't. This is my first time.
Yeah,
have you guys?
No, this
No, I
not.
usually paint like Easter eggs or something.
Yeah, this is definitely my first time painting a pumpkin.
Oh, you're making... Why didn't you just buy an orange pumpkin?
I'm telling you, it's just a pumpkin orange, isn't it?
Just buy an orange pumpkin.
No. That is crazy and uncanny how perfectly pumpkin orange I made that color. That just looks like a pumpkin.
Well, it is a pumpkin.
It looks like a pumpkin and quacks like a pumpkin.
Why the is your pumpkin quacking?
Because it's a pumpkin?
It's not a pum quack, it's a pumpkin.
Pum quack.
Just turn my pumpkin back into a pumpkin. Get rid of the bleaching.
Must be midnight.
Tony Hawk, yeah.
Now the question is, do you have a neon green?
Yes. Ah! We're fine. Calm down, Marcus. What you'll have to do for that, though, is paint the, whatever you're going to paint in white over what you're doing. Otherwise, it's not going to show up whatsoever on the purple, because they're thin.
I find this pumpkin hilarious.
You just stick it in. You don't get it wrenched and back.
Oh. Just beat the devil out of it.
Just beat the devil out of it.
Damn it. There's like something weird stuck on the top of my stem. I think it's stem.
There's stem on my stem.
My God. Probably didn't need that much, but I'm using it.
Do 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 do. Oh wait, that was just John Cena music.
Touched it with the other one, and now the other one's purple. That looks like a butthole.
$50 to someone who takes a sip of that. No takers? Okay, that's probably smart.
How are your pumpkins going?
Pretty good. I'm about to put the last word on my first one, and then my graffiti one will be done.
I'm about done with this one, and I gotta go back to working on that one.
They seem to be a little more ambitious than I anticipated, but they're going okay.
Alright, my first one is done.
Well, that was fast.
Yep, I'm quick.
He says that like he's proud.
Yep, I am. At everything.
What do you plan on doing with your orange pumpkin?
Not a clue yet, to be honest with you.
I thought you were gonna say not a thing.
Nothing, it's done.
It's a
bud.
pumpkin.
It's just a pumpkin. I've been my wife got pumpkin to be a pumpkin. It's a disguise.
This one's looking like a really thick eggplant.
Yeah, it is, bud.
It does look like an eggplant. Me and Nate have kind of been intermittently working on our pumpkins in between each other. Michael's just now starting his last pumpkin, and my eyelash glue keeps getting my eyelid stuck to my eyelash, so if I look super weird and like I had a stroke from time to time, I am so sorry. I don't like it any more than you do. How's your guys' pumpkins coming anyway?
Pretty good. How's yours coming?
I think they're okay.
Well, that's some good news, my dude.
I'm just trying to get the paint in all the right places.
All the right paint in all the right places.
Oh yeah, they're going down.
Oops, I'm fucking up.
Look at the picture. Now look at the paint. Something looks a little bit off.
I think the viewers should vote in the comments on who they think has the best pumpkin.
I agree, actually.
That's a good idea. At the end, obviously, we're going to present all our pumpkins, which is why we haven't told you our concepts completely in the bottom. You might have guessed some of them by looking, obviously, throughout the entire video, but we'd like to hear that. Who in the comments below, whose pumpkin you'd like the best, but tell us at the end when you see the final results, of course.
Mine's an eggplant.
Fuck you, bud.
Stupid face at me, I'll make one back.
It's my face.
I'm not done yet, actually.
Alright, I'm not done.
Oh, I've done the paint there. I shouldn't have done that.
Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. I should not have done that.
Oh, bad.
One of my pumpkins looks slightly off, like you got a little deranged in the process of becoming a pumpkin.
Yeah, it's all in the eyes, man.
I know, right? I see it too. So we've actually finished our pumpkins, or at least as good as they're going to get for now, because we sort of gave ourselves a time crunch doing this in the early hours of the morning, unfortunately. But we got our pumpkins done, and we're pretty proud of what we've accomplished, so I'm going to let Nate present his first.
Yo, I'm going. Okay.
Oh yeah, you're going first.
It's a pumpkin. Oh, I got a pen on my hand.
Welcome to the club.
Yeah, mine's covered in it.
Well, it's basically a minimalistic Freddy Krueger. Green, red, green, brown for the hat, black for his pants. I mean, I got it pretty well covered. I think I could have did some better work on it, but for the time that I did it in, I think it's pretty good.
I think you can tell what it is.
I like the concept,
which
for
is,
sure.
yeah, exactly.
I did the riddle box, but it's a pumpkin, so it's the riddle pumpkin.
The riddle pumpkin.
I need to get like a spring or something with the little riddle box head, like bouncing on it.
Mm.
But I think it looks pretty good. Like, before I got it like fully painted, it just kind of looked like a eggplant.
It did. Freddy Krueger and the eggplant. Alright, present your pumpkins, Michael.
Presenting. Alright. This one is just a face.
Just a face.
Just a face. He spent some time in prison, so you know he's dangerous. You see the teardrop tattoos? And I mean, he's also got bloodshot eyes, you know, because he's crazy and shit. And then red teeth, because you know, it's supposed to like show you that he'll bite you or something.
He's got red teeth. He'll bite you.
He'll
Got
bite
the taste for blood.
He'll bite you, bud. Alright, that's him. I'm gonna call him Steve.
Steve.
This is Steve.
Steve the Paroli
Steve
Pumpkin.
the Paroli Pumpkin. And then this one is just my graffiti mess. I wrote Happy Halloween on the very front of it, but the rest of it, there's an anarchy symbol, an upside down pentagram, an upside down cross, Hail Satan, 666. And then there's this this symbol right here. I don't freaking know if you can see that or not, probably not. But it's like a cross, but it's got like a hook on the very bottom of it. And it's like separated, there's a dot in the middle. I got paint all over my finger.
Michael's pumpkins.
Yep, that's mine.
Mine was pretty simple.
You can probably tell by the colors.
Yeah, the colors make it pretty obvious. They ain't too slick. But I got your magic little gourds that sit on my front porch. I thought it was funny. I just got Cosmo and Wanda, and it was a little harder to paint them than I thought it was going to be. I was like, that's an easy concept. I picked something I can do in like 5 minutes, no problem. But I had to wait for the pumpkins to dry, and then when I was doing all the different art on their face, all the other paint was wet, and then I was pissed off because I was like, this is taking way longer than I thought it was going to. I thought pumpkin painting was going to be quick.
Yeah.
But it was fun. Did you guys at least have fun painting your pumpkins?
Yeah. I definitely had fun doing it. Look how many paintbrushes we used.
We used more actually, but I washed a few during intermission.
Yeah.
You don't get intermission, sorry. You just have to have your snacks and your drinks beforehand because I don't have time for you to get up in the middle of my stuff. You sit there, you stay there, and you pay attention.
Right.
I'm sorry, that was mean.
Yeah, like damn.
Well, anyway, like Nate said earlier, go ahead and comment down below who you think had the best pumpkins, or at least your specific individual favorite pumpkin, because everybody's going to have a different one. That's the best part of the whole thing. And go ahead and like this video, because I'll have more this Halloween season. This Halloween season. Anyway, I'm doing a video every single Monday and a bonus video every single Friday. So I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!